Hello friends, today in chapter 3 we will learn coordinate geometry. So this is the first time you all are studying. Till now you all have studied the numbers on number line or a single line. Suppose like this way, you all represent here 1, 2, 3 on one line. But suppose wherever in the world we go, like this is suppose I have drawn a map of one society. There are the four street 1, street 2, street 3, street 4, and each house are labeled as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now if we go anywhere and somebody asks what is a third number house, then we have all the street has a third number house, so we cannot understand. Suppose so somebody asks that the street 1 third number house, then directly we can use this. Somebody asks that street 4 second number house, and directly we can show this. So here we are using two things, street 1 and 3. Two things as a reference point, street 4 and 2 as a two things as a reference point. So wherever two things are useful to locate the place, for that we use the coordinate geometry. Now here one block ABCD is given, on that point P is marked, or we can think that it is a table and table on some point P is lying. So how can we locate P? So different people can use the different points as the reference point. Okay. So first I use the D as a reference point, then DC line and AD line. So we can see that P lies 10, suppose these are given in centimeter, then 10 centimeter above the DC line and 5 centimeter on the right hand side of the AD line, like this way. Suppose we use the C point as a reference point, so this distance is 5, so remaining is the 15 and here also 10. So C point we use as a reference, and one can say P point lies 10 centimeter from the CD line and 15 centimeter away from the BC line in the left hand side. Now suppose somebody use the B as reference, then they can locate the P as P lies on the left side of the BC line at 15 centimeter and below of the AB line at 10 centimeter. Same way somebody use A as a reference point, then they can locate the P position from AD line's right side 5 centimeter away, and from AB line's left side it is 10 centimeter away, 10 centimeter below. So like this way, different way we can represent the point P's position in the one surface ABCD. Now we are given here one placements are there. This is the first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, and here columns are A column, B column, C column, D column, E column. Now somebody asks you in the third row A column. Third row A column means you can see third row A column, that is the K, and so you will say that it is the place of K. Somebody asks you the fifth row B column. So fifth row B column you can see B. Somebody asks you that first row C, then you will get C. So like this way we can locate here two things we can use, third row, first column, fifth row, second column, and we can see so each different letter we are getting here. K we got here, B we got here, C we got, and so we can say that suppose somebody with this label he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 instead of ABCD. First row, first column, that is the A, and first column, first row, that we can say A. But somebody asks you that first row, second column, then it will be the place of B, and somebody has to second row, first column, then it will be a place of F, and so we can say that 1 2 and 2 1 are not equal. And so, like this problems of the two-dimensional solving, the René Descartes mathematician has given the system. It is known as coordinate geometry. So the mathematician René Descartes developed the system. It is known as Cartesian system. To locate the number. For that locating number, he has used the two types of line, one horizontal line x dash, and the one vertical line which is perpendicular to horizontal line y dash, and they are perpendicular such that they intersect each other at origin O. Then the plane is divided in four parts. The x-axis horizontal line is known as the x-axis, while the vertical line is known as the y-axis, and the intersection point of two lines is known as origin. So the plane is divided in four parts, and each part he has said the quadrant. So first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant in the anti-clockwise direction. So on the y-axis right hand side means OX direction he has said is the positive direction. So on it he has marked the positive natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that way. While the OX dash he has taken as the negative direction, and it is marked as -1, -2, -3 as goes on. Then again the above the x-axis OY is taken as positive direction, and it is marked as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the OY dash is then marked as the negative direction, and it is marked with -1, -2, -3, -4. So we can see that in the first quadrant x coordinate also positive, y coordinate same, so its points will be plus type. Here we can see that x coordinate is the negative, y coordinate is the positive, so its points will be minus plus type. Always we will write the x coordinate sign, and second we will write y coordinate. So now here x coordinate negative, y coordinate negative, so minus type, and here x coordinate positive and y coordinate negative, so minus plus type. So we can see that first and second, third quadrant has both the coordinates has the same sign, while the second and fourth quadrant both the coordinates has the different sign. Means first quadrant contains all the both the coordinates positive, here negative positive, negative and positive. So now here we are given different points A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and O. So what are their locations? So to find out location of A in the Cartesian plane, first from A we will draw a perpendicular line on x-axis and perpendicular line on y-axis. So A location we can write from x-axis it is 4 units far, and from y-axis it is 2 units far. So first we will write x-axis and the x coordinate, and second we will write y coordinate. Always we will write xy form. means always first x-axis number we will write and then we will write second y-axis number. So from A we draw the perpendicular, then when x-axis it comes 2, then it is 2, and from A here we construct the perpendicular of y-axis, then it is 4, and so 2, 4. So we can say that A lies from 2 units far from the y-axis and 4 units far from the x-axis. So same way these locations we want to find out, and from here and here we draw the perpendicular, then it comes on x-axis 5 and y-axis it is showing 2, and so we can say that 5, 2. Same way C location we want to find out, then C on x-axis it comes -3 and y-axis it comes 6, then we can say that it is -3, 6. If we want to find out location of D, then from D we draw on perpendicular on axis, then we can see that it is comes on -5 and -4, and so D location will be -5, -4. Now if E location we want, so from 4 we construct here from -7. So it will show that E location will be 4 and -7. Now F. So on x-axis it is -6 and y-axis it is this number represents 0, and so -6, 0. G coordinate we can see on x-axis we see that it is 0 and y-axis 2, so 0, 2. H coordinate will be on x-axis it is 3 and y-axis we see then it is 0, so 3, 0. And I coordinate will be on x-axis it is showing 0 and y coordinate -4, so 0, -4. And O coordinate, both axes are representing 0, 0. And so O is origin coordinates always will be 0, 0. So here we can see that if the points are in the first quadrant, it is plus type. If the second quadrant, then it is plus type. If it is third quadrant, then it is minus type. And it is first quadrant, then plus type. So again we can say that the first quadrant has the points plus type. Next, both the coordinates are positive. In the second quadrant, the x coordinate negative, y coordinate positive. In the third quadrant, both the coordinates are negative. And in the fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. While the x-axis points, we can see that h and f are lying on x-axis, then their y coordinate is 0. So the whenever points is on x-axis, point is on x-axis, then its coordinates are x0, where x is any number, and same way point is on y-axis, then its coordinates we can see that it is 0, 2 and 0, -4 means 0, y, where y is any number.